what we're gonna see? Penguin.
Sabrina and I will be your guide today. Today we will be discovering birds from all over the world. Hi Rita. You will have one of the most fire-fabulous parts of the planet here in the Peruvian Amazon. Of birds gather to feast on the day. Right here with me, I have Katie, our sulphur-crested cockatoo. Now they can be found in Australia and in certain parts of Indonesia. Okay, if you look at the yellow feathers on her head, okay, that is called a crest. Sulphur is yellow and therefore they are known as the sulphur-crested cockatoos. Alright, so parrots make for life and make devoted parrots. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, a big hand for Higgins and Katie. Did you hear a rooster? A rooster here? In the park? Look at that, that's the rooster. No, Mika, that is your rooster. No, Sabrina, that's an Amazon parrot. She doesn't want to believe me. Okay, everyone check this out. Okay, Mitra, you as well. Yeah. Sure. Ready? Can we do the sound of the rooster? Looks like you want to say hello first. Okay, you want to do that one more time? Say hello. The rooster. You see? Okay, I believe you now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Pixie and Amigo, they are masters of mimicry. But before the birds mimic any other sounds, Pixie here is going to welcome all of you first. Okay, you ready? Let's welcome them. Confused. Didn't get what he said, right? He said, welcome to Parrot Paradise. Let's hear this one more time, okay? Let's welcome them. Okay, we're going to hear more animal sounds, okay? Can we do the sound of the cat? That was a fierce cat. Okay, let's move on to a high-tech sound. Can you do the telephone? There we go. Big hand for Pixie, ladies and gentlemen. Now everyone, so when parents learn how to make calls and imitate sounds, they're actually learning from their family. So if they mimic human sounds, they're actually doing what they've learned or hear around them. That's right. So in our case, Pixie and Amigo's family are actually the mothers. And I would like to hear Amigo do some mimic some human sounds. So let's get him to say hello. Hello. Wow, that's a very clear hello. Okay, come. Since we all already know his name, right? Let's get him to introduce himself. Okay, can you tell everyone your name? Amigo. Yes, Amigo. Very sweet. Okay. Amigo, there's so many of them here today. How would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? Yeah, what that? He's asking how are you? So how is everyone feeling today? Good? Yes, that's very nice to hear. So Amigo can also sing. So he's going to sing an English song. And it happens to be the birthday song. Amigo, you know what to do. Happy birthday.
That's a good day.
fly over their cage, it means you bring them good luck. Amazing, right? So in a very short while, Vicky will be flying over to check out the nest cavity. By the meantime, we can take beautiful pictures of it. She goes. There you go. So in a very short while, Sunny will be feeding the female, just like this. Now this unique nesting behavior are shared by nearly all 62 species of hornbills in the world. And then, ladies and gentlemen, let's get up for Sunny and Vicky, our red-heart hornbill. Okay, so now you can see they are going down to search for their reward. Okay, they are foraging for their food. Now, these corneas, they can be found in South America. Okay, and they are now endangered. Over 800,000 birds are now sold in the pet trade. And there are also more corneas in people's homes than in the wild. These birds are happiest living in flocks. What I love to see now is birds from all over the world, right here, right now. Well, Mitra, I think your wish is about to come true. Really? Yes, let's go. Of the world.
Happy birthday, Liam. Happy birthday, Liam. Happy birthday. Birthday.
No exception. And here she comes! That's a great landing, Susie. Now, Susie has been with us for almost 25 years. Her beak and talons are huge, and she is an unmatched huntress.
That's right. The Susie here weighs 4.7 kilograms. And yet, at high speed, she can lift a prey that can weigh up to 4 kilograms, which is almost her entire body weight.
Now, one fact about bald eagle is that they build really huge nests. How huge? It's about 10 feet wide. So we're going to take this stump as an example, and I'm going to walk 10 feet. And then it can also be 20 feet tall. That's almost 5 times my height.
Very impressive indeed. And I believe Susie has done well. It is time for her to head back home. A big round of applause for our female bald eagle. This off from the surface of the water. So Nelson, are you ready for this? Here we go!
Wow, that was pretty impressive. Let's give Nelson a
during the day. The orange eyes means they like to hunt during sunrise and sunset. The owls with black eyes means they tend to hunt during the night.
Come on, Raul, let's say hello to everyone. Okay. I guess he wants to go home. No, Raul, we have to do the show. Come on.
Alright, let's give Raul some time. By the way, these are intelligent birds, alright? And there you go. Going straight to what he does best. Well, they have long legs and flat claws, which allows them to forage for insects. And right now, you can see that he's gonna get himself busy. He started off with the tree bark, using his, as I said, using his long legs to overturn 4 insects. Oh, there's plenty more to go wrong. Excellent. How about this one? Great. Well, not only that, they are able to make vertical flights into the air to catch it just like this. Oh, let's try this once again. Oh, amazing. And you saw that he was about to land in my foot pouch. Intelligent bird indeed.
I don't think that's how it's done.
Okay.
Come on, Raul. Let's show them how it's really done. Right here.
Gina's calling for you. No, no. You're not gonna sneak around my foot pouch.
Come on, let's
right
show them
there.
how it's really done. But you have to start from the ground and then come on. Yeah! Now that's how we're talking about. Alright, Raul, I think it's time for you to head on home. Let's give Raul a round of applause for doing such a great job. Coming from the Americas, these birds are one of the few with a highly tuned sense of smell.
Well, that means if there is a dead animal, turkey vultures are the first ones on the scene. And other vultures will follow suit to do the hard work and rip apart the top hide of the animal.
Now, fun fact about turkey vultures is that their stomach acid is acidic as car batteries to help them digest carrion. So let's say goodbye to our turkey vulture, Zina! Everybody give her a round of applause! So let's go home right there. Now let me tell you a story about Genghis. Back in 2005, a young Himalayan griffon vulture was on his migratory journey from Tibetan Plateau to Thailand for the winter. But along the way, he got lost and ended up in Orchard Road, Singapore. He was found too weak and exhausted, so we brought him back here to the bird park and nursed him back to health.
Unfortunately, he suffered an injury that prevented him to be released back into the wild. So he is now a special member of our raptor family. And he really lives up to his name, Genghis. So let's give him a big round of applause. Aviary, President Vulture.
Now, these birds are the middleweights that eat the flesh and organs. Once a carcass is found, they will wait nearby before beginning the feast. But once they get going, about 100 birds will gather for the meal and strip a large carcass down in less than 5 minutes. Once wildly found in Africa, these birds are now critically endangered.
Now, the next cause is the ligaments and hide of the animal. Enter the Cignarius vulture, the heavyweight from Europe. And these birds are solitary except when they mate and have chicks. And they prefer to feed on carcasses in a smaller group. The alpha male back there has strong gripping feet with large talons and a toothpick which helps to rip apart the tough line of the animal to eat chunks of flesh.
Now, we also have to meet our scavengers for today, and that is the marabou storks from Africa. Eyes up over there. And one more right up there. Now these marabou storks have dagger-like beak and an old stern face.
But they cooperate and coexist with the vultures, joining them in the feast. The 11 species of vultures clean up 70% of the continent's carrion. We would all be in a lot of trouble without vultures.
But all over the world, we are losing these amazing birds for many reasons. Poison carcasses, deforestation, electrocution, and superstitious beliefs. They are now critically endangered, and the only way to save them from extinction is through conservation efforts.
So, ate, where are we?
In bird paradise.
No, what is the aviary? What is this aviary called?
The birds of Asia.
Yes, good job.
Yeah.
So we're currently in the Birds of Asia aviary. And we're trying to see some birds.
I think that's a turkey. Twerk. I don't think it's a twerk.
Kami ikot, dumiretso lang dito. Okay, mawawala.
There's kids on the stairs.
Yeah, that's definitely not a twerk.
Even though the male looks really handsome, very handsome and Harry Styles. And literally his name is Harry.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Yes.
Do you see lots of birds?
Yes.
You like it?
Yes.
Liam.
Hi! What are we gonna do? We're gonna ride the tram.